How to suppress Pandas Future warning? When I run the program, Pandas gives future warning like below every time. I got the message, but I just want to stop Pandas showing such message again and again. Is there any built-in parameter that I can set to let Pandas not pop up the future warning?
Found this on GitHub.
Here is the Context Manager version, if you only want to suppress warnings for specific lines of code.
Diamond's answer may only partially help you. If you still get a message after you've suppressed warnings, it's because the Pandas library itself is printing the message. There's not much you can do about it unless you edit the Pandas source code yourself. Maybe there's an option internally to suppress them, or a way to override things, but I couldn't find one. For those who need to know why. Suppose that you want to ensure a clean working environment. At the top of your script, you put pd.reset_optional. With pandas 0.23.4, you get the following. Following the Diamond's advice, you use the warnings library. Now, true to its word, the warnings have been removed. However, several pesky messages remain. In fact, disabling all warnings produces the same output. In the standard library sense, these aren't true warnings. Pandas implements its own warning system. Running grep-in on the warning messages shows that the Pandas warning system is implemented in core/config_init.py. Further chasing shows that I don't have time for this. And you probably don't either. Hopefully this saves you from falling down the rabbit hole, or perhaps inspires someone to figure out how to truly suppress these messages.
Warnings are annoying. As mentioned in other answers, you can suppress them using. But if you want to handle them one by one and you are managing a bigger codebase, it will be difficult to find the line of code which is causing the warning. Since warnings, unlike errors, don't come with code traceback. In order to trace warnings like errors, you can write this at the top of the code. But if the codebase is bigger and it is importing bunch of other libraries/packages, then all sort of warnings will start to be raised as errors. In order to raise only certain type of warnings, in your case, it's futurewarning, as error, you can write
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.